Hello guys, in today's video we're going to see how Neo4j can be installed in our system Ubuntu 14.04. For that, first of all we need to check whether the Java is installed in our system or not. For checking that, we need to run the command, that is, here you can see that in my system Java is already installed. But if in your system Java is not installed, then you need to run this command to checking. Enter this command in your command prompt. By pressing enter, you will be go for the installing the Java. Now enter second command. Using this command, your all the dependencies will be updated. But in my system, already Java is installed and the dependencies are already updated. I'm not going to install it again and update it again. Now using third command, Java will be installed in your system. Now once the Java is installed in your system, you need to update all your packages in the system. For updating them, you need to run the command. By pressing enter, your packages will be updated. Now, we'll go for the installation of Neo4j in the system. For doing so, we need to enter the command one by one. Press enter. Pressing enter, it will connect it to the Java's Neo4j. Now, enter second. Press enter. Enter third command. Press enter. Enter fourth command. Press enter. It will update all your dependencies. In between this process, I would like to introduce you the two versions available for the Neo4j. There are, the one is the community version and the second one is the enterprise version. The community version is free to use and the enterprise version is the paid one. For this process, we're going to install the community version that is free to use and easy to install in your system. Now for installing the community version, we need to enter the command now here for particular version you need to enter the number for installing the particular community version. But if you don't want to install the particular version, you can install the universal version and we will go for the universal version only. Now press enter. By pressing enter, the version will be installed in the system. It will take some time, you need to wait for some time. Here you go for the version installed in your system. Now after installing the Neo4j in your system, you need to again restart your all Neo4j services. For that, you need to enter the command. Press enter. Here you can see that all your services is restarted. Now, if you want to access Neo4j using the URL in your browser, you need to enter the URL in your browser. Here you can see that the 7474 is a by default port. Now this is the UI of the Neo4j and you can see that the username and the password is already preset in the system. For now put the username and password respectively. Now click connect. Make sure you enter the password and the username correct. Here we go for the Neo4j services. As I already told you, make sure you enter the password and the username correct, otherwise it would allow you to access the Neo4j services. Now, we have already accessed Neo4j using the URL. Now, if you want to access the Neo4j using the IP address, you need to process this step-by-step guide. Now, for this, you need to enter the command in your command prompt. By pressing enter, it will open the config file of the Neo4j. Now, in the config file, you need to uncomment this line and put your IP address before 7474. Now, uncomment the second line in the same config file and put 0.0.0.0 before 7687. Now, after completion this process, again restart your Neo4j services. The Neo4j services again restarted. Now you can access Neo4j by entering URL in your browser. Here again the Neo4j UI, as you can see the username and the password are the same, Neo4j, Neo4j respectively. Enter them and click connect. Again I am facing the same problem. Here you can see that Neo4j service is already accessed by the IP address as well. Hope you enjoyed this video and it's useful to you. Thank you.